It's cane burning season, and the night sky has been aglow.
Hazel.
The result is a sprinkling of ashy debris raining over our home, leaving the evidence of the pre-harvest burns. As humans, we have all these natural processes that we use for our benefit. As the complex creatures we are, we can often see ourselves as separate from nature and her processes. But we are not beings just existing amongst nature. We are part of nature. With our curious, wandering, meaning-seeking minds, we easily overcomplicate and overwhelm our very existence. We disconnect from our intuition and seek comfort over truth. The truth is, we are far more alike in nature to plants and the elements than some might think. Like plants, we each have certain conditions that help us to thrive or stagnate. Some plants need full sun, where others need shade. Some plants love a clay soil, others sand. There's nothing wrong with a plant if it struggles to thrive when it is planted into the wrong conditions. This simple fact is true of people too. But our busy brains block out our intuition, and we set expectations of ourselves that are not aligned with our own needs as a unique individual. If more people could begin to embrace this truth of how alike to and connected with plants we really are, there would be much more space for understanding and compassion. So stop and take a look around. If you were a pot plant, what would your label say you needed in order to thrive? If you aren't getting the things you need, how can you expect to thrive? Trees have skin, and leaves have veins, just as we do. The primary ingredient of plants and people are both water. What plants breathe out, we breathe in, and what we breathe out, plants breathe in. We all know this, but easily forget we are part of a closely interacting ecosystem. And on a larger scale, our connection to nature can be seen in the hormonal cycles, where females match the moon's monthly patterns and males match the sun's daily patterns.
Nope. Good girl.
You are absolute magic. Honor your needs as an individual and see your life flow and prosper.